the accused are on their way from the cells.
Thank you, Madam.
Yes.
In respect of what is happening to Mr. Sibia, this is the position. The court requested that we should request Mr. Muchuto to come and try to give away in this impasse. Indeed, he was here. And they have consulted with him. Mr. Sibia apparently has chosen that he would wish to be legally represented through the sponsorship of the Legal Aid South Africa.
Yes.
Yes. Now the question is to identify a person that is going to proceed with this legal representation. So Legal Aid South Africa indicates that they would dearly appreciate it if it were to be one of the councils that have already been involved in the matter here. That would simply obviate a lot of things, time for preparation and all those things, my lords. What is, however, still missing, it's the identity of that individual. So what we are looking at, my lord, is because Mr. Ramsipili is here, Mr. Mngomezulu is here, I'm here, and Advocate Mshololo as well. I think amongst ourselves, we are saying we also need time to go and consider certain issues before each one of us can raise their hand and say, "Nangu mina nkosi ungathuma mina." So we would definitely go and consider a few items on that point. So we are of the view that whilst we will be having our first day of the sitting in the new term next year on the 20th, specifically for this item, we could then reconvene tentatively on the 8th. We have a special sitting on the 8th to come and deal with this item. So that on the 20th, when we officially reopen, then we are able to proceed. I'm not so sure whether I'm capturing everything correct, Mr. Ramsipil. You can confirm it. You can confirm it.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Ramsipil.
Yes, my lord, I do confirm the arrangement as Mr. Mnisi has placed on record, my lord. And also, my lord, that Mr. Mjuto is present in court, my lord.
Yes.
He's present in court.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
But what is Mr. Umuzi? What is he saying?
Mr. Sibia is going to contact, like he said, my lord, his family overnight and then have a discussion with them. Then he will let legal aid know about his choices, my lord. But tentatively as well, he's amenable to one of us representing him, my lord, as well.
Yeah, now you're just like Cyril Ramaphosa and Steenhuisen. Why should it wait to the 8th next year? Oh, my God. Are you with me?
Yes, indeed, my lord.
Because I'm dealing with the guys who are here.
Yes,
It's not like you're going to talk to some other person who's new to this thing.
In fact, Mr. Mjuto's suggestion was that maybe that we should stand down until Friday
Yeah.
for this aspect to be considered.
Yeah, otherwise we're like a South African government. You can't decide on anything. The president will sign an act and say, no, I'm suspending clauses 1, 2, and 3. I'm giving you 3 months to think about it. After 3 months, they come back. Nobody has thought about it. So it's just Friday, né? So that there must be finality and,
Yeah, if my colleagues are amenable to that, we can stand down until Friday. Yeah, I see King Mngomezulu is shaking his head.
Mngomezulu, uthini? Because you have all represented the gentleman here, all of us. You're saying?
We're saying that Friday is too soon.
It's too soon.
Yeah, Friday is too soon.
Because
To take
after
whatever
Friday,
decision.
people are going away on holiday.
We're suggesting the 8th of January.
8th of January.
Yes.
I won't be around. I need to tell me ngi
On the
20th
20th of January.
January. Yeah. Oh, you want me to come back on the 8th? I'll be watching football in England. Yeah, let's do it on Friday. So that's this finality. And you can, the four of you can come to some agreement. Because as I am sitting here, or seated here, all of us here know that Mr. Ramosipili was cross-examining accused number 1, 2, 3, 4, on behalf of number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same thing with Mr. Mnisi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same thing with Mr. Ngomezulu. The same thing with Advocate Msholo. Am I right, sir?
Yes, indeed.
I mean-
that is a position.
It was not like
Yes.
one council cross-examines on
On
behalf of...
behalf of yes.
Yeah, it was across the board.
Yes.
Is that not so, Mr. Muzi? Yeah.
Yeah.
Akunjalo angifuthu. Ekhaya. Yeah, fine. What did the doctor say? You are quiet. What is your view?
Malot, if I may just assist.
Yeah.
In all honesty, we have, and I've told the court in chambers.
Yeah.
My nomination is in the hands of the person that should assist
Yeah,
Mr.
yeah.
Sibia.
Okay.
However, my nomination says I'm also amenable to help him, but I don't want to rush into this decision if I'm afforded time. So we've got a person amongst us that's willing to assist going forward with Mr. Sibia.
Okay, fine. So,
Yes. So, like he says, he needs time perhaps until
Yeah,
the
fine. He has
8th
to
to
think about
communicate. Yes. So, in any event, should we come tomorrow or Friday,
I don't know. You must tell me.
that decision won't be made. So, the suggestion of the 8th is, in my opinion, proper, my lord.
8th of January.
Yes.
Yeah, you can meet alone here. I won't be around.
Sorry.
As it is the court, man. It is understandable that the court will be in holiday in watching the games in EPL. That is quite understandable, man. But I'm not so sure whether, as in liaison with the state, we can then request another court or a judge who will be here just to attend to that issue for a confirmation as to who would then be representing accused number 1, as who would be recommencing on the 20th.
Why do you choose the 8th? Is there something magical about the 8th?
No, there's nothing magical, man. But we are trying to make allowance for the restarting of the term, which starts on the 20th. At least then to afford to that person who would then be representing accused number 1 on behalf of Mr. Now that Mr. Mngomezulu is not here, to give him time to prepare from the 8th, from the 8th to the 20th, to be ready on the 20th to proceed with cross-examination. We understand that Ms. Mshololo would still be on the floor. Probably she might take a day or two, we don't know how long, but then soon thereafter, then the person can then continue. There's definitely nothing magical about the 8th, my lord.
Yeah, I'm trying to inyanga yakho ithi uze ke 8.
Our suggestion is that maybe we postpone the matter to the 20th
Yeah.
for the resumption of the cross-examination. This is an issue that my colleagues can sort out amongst themselves and also consult with accused number one, where he's been detained at Mwanabi. It doesn't really need the intervention of the court. And when we come back on the 20th, they can just inform the court what their position is.
Yes, Mr. Ramsepi. Okay, let me cancel whatever. I'll come on the 8th. Because you won't get any other judge who is going to sit on this matter. It will also be irregular. Because the matter is running.
I think that will be very idealistic. Then we'll simply request that the state make the necessary arrangement. Accused need not be brought all of them here. Probably they can bring accused number one because the matter is got to do with you.
No. They must come all.
As it is the court.
Otherwise, the court is not constituted properly. Doctor, what do you say?
As it is the court.
Yeah, they must all be here.
As it is the
Because that decision affects everybody.
Thank you.
Okay, so we adjourn until the 8th then.
As a court, please, but just before we adjourn, we have updated the list of exhibits, my lord.
Okay. Sorry, we didn't ask you, Brigadier, that you'll still be around. Maybe you shall have joined the CIA or the FBI, we don't know.
My lord, if I'm needed on the 8th, then I will have to come. But other than that, I can come on the 20th.
Oh, the 20th. Okay, fine.
Unless I'm needed on the 8th, my lord.
No, I don't know. We're starting on the 20th.
We're starting on
The 8th is arrangements.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. The 20th.
20th, and then I'll be here, my lord.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, my lord.
All right.
My lord, we've just, on page 1, we've inserted exhibit C3A.
Yeah.
Those are the photos of Warren Musia
See ya.
coming from the master copy.
Okay.
That depicts a white cell phone on a TV stand. They were handed in by Advocate Ngumalo.
Yeah.
Then on page 18, item 161, under main trial, there's exhibit ZZ1 is the affidavit of Brigadier Gininda,
Yeah.
dated 7 December 2020. Then Advocate Ngumalo referred to but did not hand up exhibit that we've marked ZZ1A. That is the statement of Brigadier Gininda dated 29 November 2019. He has requested that this affidavit be handed up.
Okay.
Here's a copy for the court. And then item 163 is exhibit ZZ in brackets 2. It's a precedent of a warning statement from the Gama Scope Police Station.
Okay.
Then exhibit ZZ3 it's a precedent of a warning statement from Grafrenet Police Station. Then exhibit ZZ3 in brackets A, it's a precedent of a warning statement from Mngomezulu Police Station near Mbombela. Then exhibit ZZ4, it's a precedent of a warning statement from Nelspruit Police Station. Then exhibit ZZ5, it's a precedent of a warning statement from Ennerdale Police Station. Then exhibit ZZ6 is a precedent of a warning statement from Boyson's Police Station. Then exhibit ZZ7, it's a statement and annexures of Ms. Yolanda Moeng, dated 6 May 2024. Then exhibit ZZ8, it's a statement of Mr. Mlungisi Hlophe, dated 7 April 2015. Then exhibit ZZ9, it's a statement of Mr. Mlungisi Edward Hlophe, dated 27 October 2016.
Okay.
Those are the exhibits that we have dealt with so far.
Fine. Okay. Okay, so we adjourn then until the 8th of next year, January. Everybody must have a good rest. Don't overdo what I won't do.
Same to the